If you stuck to it for 90 days, your life would look completely different. The purpose of this is to show people that you need to focus and stay consistent with something for at least 90 days, for a season. This actually works much better than people that work at something for a whole year, but they stop and start all the time. Consistency definitely is the way to go. Many people start something new, and as soon as something starts going wrong, they decide, oh, this is not for me, and they give up. But they don't actually see it through. They don't stay consistent and work and try and wait for those results to come in, because you need to be consistent for at least 90 days for something to work well. Sticking to something for 90 days at least completely reshapes your confidence, your mindset, your future, and your income. You stop negotiating with goals, you start seeing momentum, and you start realizing you can do this. You just never gave yourself enough time to allow you to do it. 90 days can change everything if you just let it. So if you would like to know more about my online business and you are ready to try it, why don't you WhatsApp me or comment start, and I will send you all the information to show you exactly where I started.